Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to ESL Games Hub. My name is Joe Philip. I have more than 10,000 games which I'll be sharing on this noble platform. So please, if you've not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that anytime, any day, anywhere I upload new videos, you get the opportunity to have it. Don't forget to share. Yeah, this game is like Chain the Monkey. Chain the Monkey game is very simple and is mostly used for vocabulary development, or let's say revision for vocabularies. Is the flashcard that you taught for the day. Yes, let's say you pick two of those flashcards, then you'll be turning your hands like the way you see in the video. You pair them together. If it's adjacent to each other, they need to stand in that order. I think students really like this kind of game, and also it boosts their level of pronunciation, and also it helps them to recognize the word that you taught for the day. Here is ESL Games Hub. I have more than 10,000 games I'll be sharing on this platform. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that anytime, any day, anywhere I upload new videos, you get the power, the opportunity to have it. Don't forget to share. My name is Joe Philip. See ya for the next video.
Dolphin is first, so dolphin count, then dolphin count. Then at the back is what? Alright. Oh my God. You are first. Second. Like this. I really cannot see. Okay. Now you say your word.
Dolphin.
Where did you go? Where did you go?
Dolphin. 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 Dolphin.
Kenai and Fook come here.
No.
Fook is white. Fook is white and come here. Fook is phone. Yes, you are white. You understand? Go back, sorry. Go back. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Very good, let's go. Look at where it's standing.
Đứng sát vào một
Wow, you are so good. Yeah, good man. Alright, you go for food break time.
Yeah.